In this video, I will show you how to set up an appointment booking system in Shopify. This is useful if you want customers to book services, meetings, or time slots directly from your store instead of just buying products. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to the Shopify App Store and search for an appointment booking app. You can use apps like Appointment Booking or any trusted booking app that integrates with Shopify. Once you find the app, click on it and install it into your store. After installation, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. Now you will be able to create your booking system. Inside the app, you can set your service name, duration, available time slots, and working days. For example, you can set appointments for 30 minutes, 1 hour, or any custom duration depending on your service. Next, connect the booking option to your product or service page. This means when a customer visits your product, they will see a book appointment button instead of only an add to cart option. After setting everything up, save your changes and preview your store. Now customers will be able to select a date and time and book an appointment directly from your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.